The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, to the new video, Cardano update. We're gonna talk about Cardano and see what's actually happening. So how you guys doing? I know you are very happy yesterday. I don't know how happy you are today, but I know you are happy for what happened yesterday. So we're gonna talk about that. This was the mother of all candles. Mother of all candles, right? So it pumped the price pretty nicely to some bullish levels, and we're gonna talk about it. So enough with the chit chat. Make my face smaller, charts bigger. Let's see what's actually happening with the price. So yesterday, in yesterday's video in Cardano, we are talking about how important it is to close above this line down here, above 1.1, because that's some kind of support. Not only did we close above 1.1, we went all the way to 1.15. We went above the 20 moving average, we went above the 10 moving average, we wicked all the way up to the 131. That's our resistance for being super bullish and starting a new parabolic move or whatever on the upside. We wicked, we touched it, we tested the waters, and then we traced back, but we closed above all of these important lines of resistance. So we broke the 1.1, we broke the 1.15, we got above 10 and the 20 moving average. So we are right now looking to be super bullish on Cardano. This little red candle here, this little drop here, or about 2.62% right now, it means nothing. It's just normal price movement. I know everybody wants to see green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, but in that happens in a strong uptrend. But in correction, this is just normal move. It went above some resistance. Now it's going back down to test those resistances and stuff like that. So what we are looking for here, actually, you can see here when price was going down, it found support on the 50 moving average down here. And when it moved up, now it's looking for support on the 20 moving average, 10 and 20 moving average, but the 10 is the one is gonna pick it up. So we already see now that this 20 moving average was going like this, and now it's curving on the upside. So it's very likely that this is gonna start going upside and test the next level at 1.31 with the closes. How long that's gonna take, I'm gonna show you some patterns that there are on this chart right now. But it looks very bullish. We are super bullish on Cardano today. Of course, that might change if we start falling below these moving averages again, because you see we are below them, we are above them, we are below them, we are above them, we are below them. So you know, the good thing is, although we are crossing the 10 and 20, that means the 10 and 20 is not actually that important. This yellow line over here is super important because we got support on that, and we are not zigzagging over that line like in forever, all the way down here. You have to go all the way down here to find that. That's the 5th November. That's like start of the bull run or something like that. Yeah, 5th November is actually start of the bull run, so you have to go all the way back there to see that we are zigzagging across the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average is super important, and as you can see over here, the 50 moving average is moving something like this. Latest, if this holds, if this doesn't fall any back, latest we should close about 131, 12th of April. When's that? That's like within 2 weeks we should be all-time high, within 2 weeks. If this pans out, if the 50 moving average holds, that should be our target, at least two weeks before, preferably sooner. So now what I'm going to show you is we're going to draw a very nice triangle over here that's been forming, and now we can actually get some very nice lines for this triangle. So let's start drawing it, and this looks like this is correct line over here. This is on the hourly chart, so you know it's not that precise, but it is in the ballpark. It is in the ballpark area. And this one over here, it looks like it's something like this, but this over here is actually a bearish engulfing candle. So the line that actually fits is actually this one down here. That actually fits a lot better, if not enough, if not all of that, all of down here. Because if you zoom on this over here, you can see that this candle over here is bearish engulfing candle. So if you remove that, this is also bearish engulfing candle, so you can technically remove that as well, and you go all the way down here. So that might actually be the triangle that we are looking for. But let's assume how are you gonna do this? How are you gonna let's try to use the daily, and no, let's try to go into the weekly and try to figure the line. First we're gonna try to with the weekly, and that looked like something like this. Let's see how that looks on the daily. Yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe it's something like this. Okay, so let's assume this is the actual triangle we are now testing. We went all the way with the wick there, so we're gonna be in this range before we break either on the upside, right, or the downside. So what's gonna tell us in which direction we're gonna break is the moving averages. So that's the way you know that is you want to see where the price is when it's starting getting closer into this corner over here. So as long as we are above the moving averages, the price being pushed up, the likelihood for the breakout is pretty big. But if we start breaking this 10 and 20, especially this 50 line, likelihood is we're gonna break on the downside. So I would actually look for the 50 moving average. You can see here that 50 moving average actually corresponds pretty nicely with this lower line of support, something like this. So I would say that this bottom line, the support line, is actually this one actually goes all the way down to 24th, where I said that it was up here. No, sorry, the triangle is here, but so triangle ends 18th, 25th April all the way to the top. It's probably gonna break out somewhere here. So anyways, however you see it, it's gonna break on one of these sides, right? And as the moon always say, you can always trade that because you know it's triangle, it has to break on one of the sides. So target should be on the breakout around, let's see, where's that? Let's put a number on it. 1.88. Okay guys, subscribe to the channel if you liked 1.88, like the video if you liked 1.88, write down in comments if you liked 1.88, share the video if you liked 1.88. Thanks for watching. It's 1 minute. Thanks, bye bye.